Hello and welcome to this new video. First of all, I would like to say thank you to you all because I finally reached the 1000 subs. I'm still far from getting monetization, but this is not the point. I'm very happy to have finally reached this goal. So, in today's video, I will show you my latest mock, which is an alternative build of set 77015, the Temple of the Golden Idol from Indiana Jones series. In this alternate, I try to reproduce one of my favorite childhood set, the 5978 Sphinx Secret Surprise. Obviously, as a mock maker, I do not have this set anymore. The base plate is missing and most of the parts are scattered around my spare part collection. But I was able to find the minifix, almost. Now let's have a look at the mock. Like the old set, it has the Sphinx and the two obelisks. The roof of the Sphinx can be removed and it's possible to see the throne inside the building. But the most important thing is that I was able to reproduce the mechanism that spits out the throne together with the front door. I also included the tent and the campfire. I tried to make also the car. I know it's quite ugly, but in the set there aren't so many parts suitable for making vehicles. I am quite satisfied with the results, and now it's time for me to start my next huge projects. Actually, I have in mind two big projects, so thank you for your time and let me know your impression in the comments. See you in the next video.